Sundays from 12 to 6. The mall structure is open until midnight due to the entertainment venues located within, such as the AMC Movie House, multiple screens, IMAX Theater, and a comedy shop where comedians come to perform on a regular basis. They have some live music out here too till about 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. The guys are known as On the Infusion. They perform upon wind instruments native to the land Peru. Let's give them a listen, shall we? On the Infusion. Located at the forefront left side of the boat, Marriott River Center Hotel, which boasts over 1,000 rooms and is one of 5 of the largest hotels in all of Texas. The original owner and builder is Eddie DeBartolo Jr., also the former owner of the San Francisco 49ers. Any Niner fans, sports? No? Niners. How about this 5-time world champion Dallas Cowboys? How about the rest of y'all get off my boat now? Just kidding. What the story is, behind the Marriott, before they were built, there's another hotel already located there, known as the Fairmont Hotel. A building is registered upon the National Register of Historic Buildings.